Hello everyone. Today we'll see walkthrough and demo of KIF enlisting app. So let's start. First thing, you need to open the link which is provided to you by the admin in your browser. So I'll open the link. So as soon as you open the link in your browser, the app will ask you to install it on your mobile device. So I'll click the prompt which I have seen at the bottom of my screen. I'll install the app. And now, as you can see, the app is installed on your mobile screen. Now, if you are a Google user, you can register to our app via Google. If you don't have your Google account, you can register by a traditional email password way. So in my case, I have a Google account. So I'll register this user with the help of my Google account. So as you can see, although I have registered, it is asking me to activate the account. So at this point, when you have registered with this button and the prompt says, please contact your admin to activate your account, you need to ask the admin to activate your account. So I'll activate the account from my mobile. So as soon as I activate the account, you will be able to log in to our system. Okay, great. So now you can see you are logged into our system and you can create and view farmers through this app. As you can see, you have not registered any farmers, so all the statistics are zero. And here, by clicking on this button, you can view farmers. As we have not registered any farmer, the prompt is showing no farmer found. So let's go to the dashboard and create a farmer. In this first section, we take the basic details of the farmer. So let's start entering the details. I have entered the name of the farmer, the village in which farmer is being registered, the pin code for that village, the address field is optional. In this case, you need to enter the mobile number for that particular farmer so that he can be enlisted. Please enter the mobile number carefully because this same field, the same mobile number, we received OTP at the end of the form. Email ID is optional. Age is mandatory. I'll enter the age for that farmer. Now, the second form, the second section, we take the details of the farmer in terms of his land. So basically, we'll enter how many lands he own in irrigated section. The total, as you can see, is being calculated in the total field. Non-farm land is optional. You need to enter the survey number for that particular land. If there are multiple survey numbers, you can enter it in a comma separated way. In the last screen, you need to enlist how much crop is enlisted or used by that farmer for farming. So I'll enter. If he has any livestock, you can enter it here. And at the last screen, there is the verification part, and if he is member of any corporation society, you can mention it here. If he is not member, you can leave this field empty. So as soon as you submit, you can see the farmer is being created. Now the mobile number which you entered in the first screen, will receive an OTP once you click this button. So as you can see, the farmer phone number will receive an OTP. In my case, I have just entered my number, so I'll get the OTP. I'll enter the OTP received on my device. I will verify the OTP and it will redirect you to the home screen. Now you can see that Ram Patil has been registered under your section, and you can view the details which you have filled, as well as you can download his form and share him via WhatsApp or any other medium. So as you can see, the complete form is ready and you can share it via WhatsApp or any other medium. Coming back to our app, here you can see how many farmers has been registered, how many active farmers are there, and how many inactive farmers. Many times admin will discard your farmer in case he finds that information entered is invalid. So this is the short demo for using this app from the agent point of view. Thank you.